Hey, you want to hear a burp?
Do you have a movie, like any kind of movie?
What kind of movie?
Like a horror?
A what?
A horror?
Sorry, I got gas. I'm so sorry.
Yeah, you're gonna want to ask
You're
her in
gonna-
the music and DVD
Music
section.
department over there, and we might need some seltzer water upstairs.
Oh, okay, thank you. Sorry.
Music? Okay, go really good. It's over there?
Yeah.
You can go upstairs and get some water.
Yeah.
I want to find some coloring books. Oh,
Get it now.
Oh my god, this book looks so cool.
Just now just walk out. All these Asians. Like, I think now the camera can hear we go. I want to do it to Indians. I want to do it to Indians.
Watch.
Your brother is so annoying. He keeps tripping me.
Oh, that's the guy in the red shirt.
Oh, okay.
Hi. Oh, how long is this video?
Right now, 5 minutes.
And be like, hey, this is. And then yeah, be like,
Yeah, I'm gonna act like I'm just chatting.
See the reactions.
okay, so this is Gabby and some of her friends and.
Oh, they look. We got a reaction. You'll be on YouTube. Search it.
I was like, we'll be on YouTube.
Search it.
Are you okay, Jackie? Are you like gassy right now?
Yeah, so.
Hey, I saw my social. I will stop the crap out of you.
Oh. Where'd it go?
I heard it.
No, they weren't. Well, you should have shot him. Oh,
I didn't know.
he's like, whoa. Oh, these preppy girls. You gotta shoot them.
Oh, the one with the like.
Alright, but you have to be nice and clear. Someone asked him.
Yeah.
Sure?
Yeah. For sure. Yeah. How's the tidy work? Marlon! No, not them. No, we're not. I think I did. I don't know. I couldn't make it that Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh.
Give me that toilet. I'm gonna do it.
Yeah, you good.
Do it right here.
Your son I go to Spain?
I know.
No, you need to bring
No, again.
Have you ever seen a girl burp like? No?
Do it again.
Do it again. Go on.
I like your hair.
Me too.
Search it on YouTube.
Girls, is it okay if you guys go on YouTube? Is it okay if you guys be on YouTube?
No.
Okay.
Put it there. Oh my god. Let's do it. Pack some. It won't waste it. So good.
That's who said we were gonna be back.
Oh yeah.
See the guy that worked here the other day is here. Oh, the guy's not here. Maybe it's you in the back.
Gabby. Just do it. Not me. That was me. No, I'm sorry. Oh my god, I hate you now, Daddy. Let's go. Freaking think it was me. Asian. No. She's pissed off. I know.
Oh, this guy's not that quick.
Ow.
Good, GameStop. Oh my god, Ishmael.
Marlon, you're so dumb. Sorry. Marlon, you're so stupid. I was gonna show me. Guys, this is good.
I got it from GameStop.
Sorry.
Oh, that looks so much my pose.
Marlon, hurry up. Get your ass over here. Marlon.
Yes, game. The woman was trying so hard. That was her going. Marlon!
You dropped the whole shoe.
I had to like wrangle you, man.
Fine.
Look, in golden.
Oh. I want it.
You see me, brother? Did he tried to step on the board?
No, but it has that shit on it. That sucks.
Don't act the fool, Marlon.
Let's go.
Now they put that, right?
Let's see.
They put that now, right, guys? They put that now. What thing? You get to delete that part. Oh, there's songs.
Oh my god, these are so cute.
I don't like these.
I like these.
Do not get it. No. Marlon, Joylin. Oh. Marlon.
Probably still on the skateboard.
I heard a girl burp really loud. You want to? Oh, okay.
Do it, Gabby, no matter what, just do it. Do it. Do it, Gabby, no matter what.
What?
Oh, his head ain't behind this.
Do it now, Gabby, no.
Damn, Gabby.
Damn, Gabby, shit. Marlon. These are so pretty.
Oh my god, look at these tops.
Let's go. Next door. Foot Locker.
I can't slap you. My cousin right here.
Huh?
Let's go to Foot Locker. My cousin is here. Yeah, do it. Your cousin. See if my cousin's here. She's not here.
Spur Gabby is good.
She's my favorite cousin.
I thought you said you hated her. Sometimes she made me spend 5 minutes in, like 10 minutes in here looking for her cousin. She doesn't even like her.
That's what you say, excuse me?
That wasn't me. That was you.
No, it was that. I don't look like that, okay?
No, it wasn't me. Gabby, he said, go get a room. And I was like, it wasn't. He's like, just go tell your friend to go get a room.
Isn't it a bathroom, not a room?
Like every single person looked at you.
So?
It was so funny.
This is going on YouTube. This video is going on
I
YouTube.
used to have you, and I have That's what I'm getting about church.
It sucks for whoever doesn't want to be on YouTube. They're going to end up being on YouTube.
I know, right?
Go, Gabby.
I know we should give the Foot Locker people a shout out.
Go, Gabby.
Come to Foot Locker. Woo!
I have a 6. I have a 7. Those are even cool. 7.5. Wait. 7.5.
Spencer is melting out again. Where we came here.
Marlon.
Oh, remember that?
Marlon.
Yeah, Marlon. You like Marlon. Stop it, Marlon. I want to slap your brother so badly.
Marlon, get your ass out here now. Here, Gabby. No. Oh, him. No.
You have problems.
I can't do it anymore.
You got the problem.
I can't do it anymore.
Gabby, no. Gabby.
I can't move.
Gabby, no. Gabby, here.